Imagine waking up on a Saturday morning, rolling over to check your phone, and discovering that you've earned money in your sleep. No alarm clocks, no commutes, just passive income flowing into your account because of one smart move you made with $25,000. Sound too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because today you'll see exactly how to turn a modest pile of savings into a stream of cash that keeps pouring in. Whether you're hard at work or lounging by the pool, we're about to unravel the real-life magic of dividend investing, not the fantasy where you instantly get rich and retire to some Malibu beach, but a strategy that transforms $25,000 into a wealth-building machine you can actually be proud of. Maybe your $25,000 feels small compared to the six-figure dividend hustlers you see on social media, but I'm here to show you how that amount can be the foundation of your own financial empire. No jargon, just the actionable steps, real numbers, and the mindsets that make the difference. Ready? Great. Let's get straight into the secrets that the internet's success stories never tell you. Let's be brutally honest for a second. You're not quitting your job tomorrow just because you invest $25,000. But what if instead, this money could start covering chunks of your expenses each month with absolutely zero work from you? On average, a solid diversified dividend portfolio yields around 4% per year. Now, I know what you're thinking. 4%? Yawn. But 4% of $25,000 is $1,000 each year. That's $83 a month. No, it won't pay your rent, but think about what it can do. It could handle your Netflix subscription, Spotify Premium, and maybe that gym membership you use twice in January. Your money starts working while you handle life. That's just round one. Because what makes dividend investing so powerful is not just that first payment, but what you do with it. Here's the secret. Every single dollar of dividend income you get should be put back to work for you. You take your $83 each month, buy more dividend stocks, and let compound interest do its magic. Dividend reinvestment is like compound interest on steroids. Start with $25,000. In a year, you add another $1,000 in dividends, assuming that 4% yield. Reinvest that, and you now have $26,000 working for you. Next year, it grows a bit more, and so on. The growth isn't mind-blowing in the first year, but with time and patience, it gets seriously impressive. People say, so what? At this rate, I'll be ancient before it makes a difference. But here's where the long game pays off. The real explosion happens when you make reinvesting a habit and contribute even just a bit more each month. Suppose you toss in an extra $200 every month. Not only are you reinvesting your dividends, but you're also pushing your portfolio to new heights. Year 1, you're earning dividends on $27,400. By year 5, you're earning on over $40,000, and your annual dividend income has shot up toward $1,600. All from $25,000 plus some monthly hustle. So how do you actually build a portfolio that's simple, effective, and lets you sleep at night? Forget collecting 50 random stocks for diversification. With $25,000, the goal is maximum results for minimum effort and minimum fees. This is why ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are your best friend. Think of ETFs as Costco for investing. Grab a basket that already has hundreds of companies that have proven they can deliver consistent dividends. For your core, consider a dividend-growth ETF, like the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. This fund is designed to capture companies increasing their dividends year after year. Layer in something like the iShares Select Dividend ETF for a bit more yield, and sprinkle in individual blue-chip dividend aristocrats, companies raising dividends for 25-plus years straight, to round out your risk. Here's a sample allocation to get the gears turning. 60%, $15,000 in the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, VIGIX/VIG, focused on 10-plus years of dividend growth, about a 2.8% yield, 20%, $5,000 in the iShares Select Dividend ETF, DVY, offering a higher 4.2% yield. The last 20%, $5,000, spread across 5 individual aristocrats: Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, McDonald's, and Walmart. Let's see how it adds up. VDIGX at $15,000 and 2.8%. $420 a year. DVY at $5,000 and 4.2%. $210 a year. 5 blue chips, say 2.6 to 3.1% yields, roughly $125 a year. Grand total about $755 annually, or $63 per month at the start. Doesn't sound earth-shattering, but keep those dollars churning and things ramp up. Some people think investing has to be complicated to work. The truth? It's the simple, automatic systems that win. When you use diversified ETFs for the bulk of your portfolio, you get the safety of hundreds of companies and automatic rebalancing. If one company stumbles, let's say the CEO goes on a yacht buying spree and cuts the dividend, you're still protected by all the other holdings. Plus, if you automate your investments and dividend reinvestments, it all runs in the background while you focus on life. This structure means you don't have to spend weekends researching mystery stocks or panicking over market noise. Your portfolio is built for the long haul, steady, tested, and always moving forward. Here comes the showstopper, compound growth. This is what transforms small beginnings into jaw-dropping results. Every penny of dividend that gets reinvested buys a little more stock, which then pays you more in dividends. Add to that the fact that quality companies raise dividends most years, and you get a powerful upward spiral. Let's say the companies in your portfolio boost their dividends by an average of 5% each year. 5 years down the road, your dividend income could be up to $1,400 just on those dividends alone, without you adding a cent more. Now add in your $200 monthly contributions. Suddenly, after 5 years, your portfolio has snowballed to about $45,000, and your annual dividend income nearly doubles, from $755 to around $1,500 or $125 a month. Not bad for a strategy that runs on autopilot, right? And it only gets better as time goes on. Let's tie this all together with a real-world example, step by step. Sarah has $25,000 to invest. She splits it just like the breakdown above: $15,000 in VDIGX, $5,000 in DVY, $5,000 across 5 dividend aristocrats. She sets up automatic dividend reinvestment and tucks away an extra $200 each month. Year 1, she earns $755 in dividends and reinvests every cent. Her regular contributions mean she's adding $2,400 more by the year's end. Year 5, the snowball's rolling. Her portfolio is worth roughly $45,000, and her annual dividend income is closing in on $1,500. That's twice what she started with, all while being diversified and not glued to stock news. Year 10, thanks to compounding, reinvesting, and the steady increases from dividend growth companies, she's generating nearly $2,400 per year in dividends, about $200 per month. At this point, her investments cover multiple recurring bills every month. Now let's bust some common myths that hold people back. Myth 1: dividend investing is only for the rich. False. As you just saw, even a $25,000 start can kick off real progress. Myth 2: high yield is always better. Definitely not. True wealth comes from sustainable, growing dividends, not chasing risky stocks with unsustainable payouts. Myth 3: you must pick stocks yourself. Wrong again. With the power of ETFs and automated investing platforms, you can have professional-level diversification and management with a single click. Myth 4: you have to watch the market every day. Nope. The system works best when you set it, forget it, and let the market and the companies do the heavy lifting for you. What about protecting against risk? With any investment, your main goals are diversification and sustainability. That's why it pays to spread money across ETFs and a handful of blue-chip companies. If a company cuts its dividend, you feel a small dip, not a disaster. Quality dividend ETFs often remove or rebalance out troubled companies before they hurt your returns. Another way to protect yourself: don't over-concentrate in a single sector. The ETFs mentioned above cover hundreds of stocks from various industries. Even in tough markets, this kind of portfolio provides real staying power. One thing people overlook with dividend investing is the psychological benefit. Knowing that money is flowing into your account, even during rocky markets, offers a sense of security and control. You're less likely to panic and sell at the worst time, which is one of the biggest mistakes new investors make. Plus, watching those dividends increase year after year is incredibly motivating. It's proof your money is working as hard as you are. How to get started today. Starting is the hardest part, so let's make it simple. Step 1. Open a brokerage account that lets you buy ETFs and stocks with low or zero commissions. Step 2. Choose your dividend-growth ETF, like Vanguard Dividend Appreciation, a yield-focused ETF, and a short list of blue-chip dividend aristocrats. Step 3. Allocate your $25,000 according to your risk comfort and set up dividend reinvestment. Step 4. Automate monthly contributions. $200 if you can swing it, but any amount helps. Step 5. Sit back, watch the dividends roll in, and resist the urge to tinker every week. Most people overestimate what they can do in a year and underestimate what's possible in a decade. Dividend investing isn't about flashy short-term gains. It's about building wealth that lasts step by step, rain or shine. With time, the compounding effect accelerates. In 20 years, reinvested dividends and steady contributions could turn your $25,000 into $100,000 or more, with dividend income to match. Not vampire level, get rich quick, but bulletproof against life's surprises. To recap, the average person start living off dividend income, and $25,000 is much more powerful than it seems. If you focus on quality, reinvest diligently, add a bit extra regularly, and let time work its magic, dividend income can pay your bills, boost your sense of freedom, and bring you closer to financial independence without stress or drama. You don't have to be a stock-picking wizard. You just need a plan and the discipline to stick to it. So, grab your $25,000 or whatever amount you have. Lay the foundation today, because your future self is going to want to travel back in time just to high-five you. If this helped you see the power of dividend investing in a whole new light, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making strategies, and let's kick off your financial empire, starting now.